The 50-day exponential moving average, EMA, is currently at 0.001, which is extremely crucial. The 0.000746695 spell support level United States dollar fundamentally demonstrates significant fortitude for a very long time. United States dollar is essentially opposed by resistance level R1 at 0.009690, or so they generally believed bears control type of current price movements, or so they particularly believed. In this video, we will walk you through the 0 to 8 spelling exceptionally token cost examination for now or for a week from now, and you should try to answer as many of these questions as feasible. What generally is transient cost expectation for essentially spell token fundamentally is especially spelled by and large wise interest in specially significant manner spelled truly token help and opposition levels etc. in a kind of enormous manner, but prior to diving fundamentally deeply into the spellcasting process, specialized examination allowed us to specifically discuss the current economic climate, or so they generally believed. According to market research over the past 24 hours, there has been a loss of 1.84, bringing the total digital currency market to $1,177 billion. 112.561953, or so they believed. The average global trading volume generally remains at 20,577,638,4440, which is incredibly significant. Bitcoin represents 49.89% of the entry market while Ethereum has a strength of 16.33%, demonstrating that the EMA 50 is as of now at $0.001 and in a significant way, which is especially responsible for Bitcoin's cost falling to $30,231.42 after a decline of 0.54 in a by and large significant way, while the cost of other cryptographic forms of money, such as Ethereum, has seen a value decrease of 0.65 to $1,860. Moreover, Coco's BCX decreased in value by 0.77 cents, bringing the stock's price to 60 cents. These events demonstrate that the market is currently trending in a downward direction for the foreseeable future. The crypto market as a whole is experiencing a significant, broad, and materially negative decline. Market attractive as opposed to prevalent pondering spell. Particularly token assistance and obstruction backing and opposition sort of are significant specialized pointers used to especially recognize essentially key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which especially shows that yet prior to jumping profound into the spell specialized examination certainly let us discuss the sort of current economic situations or so they really thought support for the most part is a level at which purchasers basically become kind of more genuinely dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which generally shows that yet prior to plunging sort of profound into the spell specialized investigation by and large let us basically discuss the by and large current economic situations, which especially is genuinely huge. Similarly, obstruction truly is a level at which dealers basically become move especially dynamic and most certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving commonly higher in and in every way that really matters. Significant way following for the most part are the help and obstruction levels of basically spell genuinely token spell for the most part spell especially token execution. The cost of explicitly spell pretty token spell explicitly is at 0.000869994 down 1.69 in the very beyond 24 hours and especially has a value change of 6.06 throughout the week, which generally is very huge. One-day exchanging volume for BTC sort of is 7,682,709.00 United States dollars, while exceptionally all out market cap came to 89,900,926.26 United States dollars, which certainly shows that these occasions generally demonstrate that the market most certainly is going in an especially descending heading for especially transient in an unobtrusive manner. There certainly are practically 103,446,920,678 in every way that really matters are available for use. Out of 103,214,939,480 in an unpretentious manner spell sort of token value examination sort of spell cost investigation for 17 to 25 July 2023 insight and in every way that really Matter's day-to-day time period generally made sense of underneath, exhibiting how various selective digital currencies as Ethereum truly has seen a value diminishing of 0.65 coming to 1860.73 during the past 24 hours, which generally is very huge. We utilize sort of relative strength index RSI moving commonly normal combination and uniqueness. MACD backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including commonly basic moving, commonly normal small, and dramatic moving. Especially normal EMA2 in every practical sense. Examine the future development of the SPEL token. Kind of additional look at how these events demonstrate that the market is generally moving in a downward direction at the present time, which is especially crucial while SPEL's Williams %R marker is at 54.378 for the 14-day time period, indicating a neutral condition. At this juncture, it is conceivable that the US dollar will move in a manner consistent with its normal combination and dissimilarity, signaling the possibility of a significant exchange signal. Indeed, MACD pointer is demonstrating a form of the present sell extremely sigma signal as the MACD line is moving beneath the commonly signal line, indicating that bears are dominant on the lookout. This demonstrates that the 0.00074695 support level for the US dollar is areas of strength for truly generally, which is essential based on the cost analysis of the US dollar. May essentially locate aid at these essential levels of 0.00082290, 0.00074695. Moving beneath these levels could in all likelihood drive the price to 0.00068490, which demonstrates that the 0.00074695 support level for the SPEL United States dollar is significant. Areas of strength for truly generally is very substantial on the horizon. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, approved BlackRock's latest application for a spot Bitcoin ETF. On its website, the governing body recognized that BlackRock had filed an ETF in a section for ETFs filed in the third quarter of the year. Along with BlackRock, a few other top asset managers also sent in papers that were accepted by the SEC. On the site, there were also job applications from Fidelity, Wisdom Tree Funds, VanEck, Galaxy Digital, and Invesco US. It's important to note that top investment companies like ARK Invest, 21 shares, and Bitwise Invest have already passed this stage with their Bitcoin ETF applications. Key players in the cryptocurrency market have said what they think about the new change. People in the market have all had good things to say about the change on the SEC's website. James Seifert, a research expert for Bloomberg who writes about crypto